Hi Vijay, thanks for joining. So Vijay is a director of the school. Vijay, over to you.
Thank you, Aditya. Thanks, Numismatic Academy, for this wonderful initiative. I found this initiative very good for our students here at Enlightening International School. Last year, I think they have started this for our students, and they found it very interesting. It's a very new way, unique way of learning, wherein learning happens from the starting from currency and then goes to the geography and other GK related things. And I hope in future we can include economics and other things as well, so that a student can
We are
take.
introducing world discovery programs and financial literacy programs.
Yeah.
So after this we will discuss with you.
Very good.
And that is very helpful for the kids because that is for a new education policy 2020.
Very good.
We are working.
It's a very unique program and very helpful for our students as well. And since you keep on changing the currency because a lot of countries are there, and this time we are seeing a new currency, new set up of things are being happening. So definitely our students will learn a lot, and it's good for everyone.
Thank you guys.